What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am not cooking or baking. This is not a recipe video. I just want to show you guys how to cut pineapple and how to remove the eyes of the pineapple without losing much of the fleshy part. Most of the time when people cut pineapple, they tend to cut deep into the flesh in order to get rid of the eyes. But I'm gonna show you a trick on how not to waste your pineapple. Yesterday I went to the store and I saw these very ripe pineapples. I was so excited because it is a rare find. You hardly see pineapples that are this ripe. So I quickly bought them. I said, oh, let me make a video with these pineapples. So as usual, I like to wash my fruits, especially those fruits with inedible skin. I like to wash them with soap and water. In particular, I like to scrub down those fruits that grow close to the ground or on the ground. This reduces the chances of bacteria, pesticides getting into the cut fruits. When I'm done, I'm gonna slightly twist and snap off the head or crown of the pineapple. I don't need it, it is actually dirty, but I know some people use it for presentation. Feel free to use it if you need it. So I'm just gonna quickly pat it dry before cutting into it. It is time to cut the pineapple. I'm gonna start by cutting off the top and the bottom parts. Then carefully peel off the skin. Try as much as possible not to cut deep into the pineapple. After the first cut, it becomes very easy to tell if the cut was too deep or not. Then you can make adjustments on how deep you want to cut it or how closer to the skin you want to cut it. Since we don't want to lose the fleshy part, we're going to cut closer to the skin. And don't forget to flip the pineapple to the other side to ensure that you have removed all the skin. That is too deep, but it is okay. Ta-da! This is the magic tool for the job. With a fork, just dig into the pineapple and yank out the eyes. In case you don't know it, there is a tool for this and it's called pineapple eye remover. While we are at it, let me welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. By the way, that was a pineapple seed. They are mostly found within the eyes of the pineapple. Oh, before I forget, you can also cut out the pineapple eyes using a paring knife. All done. Does this not look very clean, beautiful, ripe and juicy? In order to safely remove the core, you have to cut it into four. The core is very tough, it is not juicy, so you can tell it apart from the pineapple. So just cut it along the natural line to remove the core. Once it is done, you can cut your pineapple into any shape or size of choice. Before you throw away that core that you just removed, let me tell you some things about it. It is loaded with nutrients, it has a lot of vitamins, and a very important enzyme, bromelain. It helps in fighting inflammation and cancer. I understand that it is not too sweet, but trust and believe me, you can still chew on it, and the part that you cannot swallow, you can throw it away. I'm not gonna lie, before now, I have been buying frozen pineapple because that is the only way you can get very ripe, sweet pineapple until recently that I started seeing fresh, ripe pineapple. I have missed out on the core a lot, so whenever I buy it, I always snack on it. Let me show you a closer look. Look at it. Very ripe, sweet and juicy. You can tell that it is so juicy from the juice on the board and on the counter. So now that you know how to cut pineapple without losing much of the fleshy part, will you give it a try? So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.